Hello YouTube, and in this video I'm going to show you the construction is underway here in San Antonio. As you can see, I'm here at Piscis Park, which is undergoing a full complete renovation. The hotel is going to turn into a 4-star hotel and it's going to be insane. I'm going to show you some pictures of that in a minute, but as you can see there's lots of construction going on. 368 rooms. It's exciting times for San Antonio. Seems to be a lot more builders on the island than there are DJs at the moment. Yeah, so I'll have a walk around San Antonio. There's a few different hotels. Somebody asked me to go and see the Hotel Tanit. Sorry if it is a bit noisy, but that's the sound of the winter in Ibiza. So yeah, I'll cut to those shots right now. So as you can see from these shots, it's going to be a very different hotel. I'll be curious as to how many people that watch these videos actually have stayed at the hotel. Let me know what you think of the new plans, and I'll take a walk further and I'll show you some of the other spots. Also, a few people asked me to check out the new place that Pepe Rosello from Space Ibiza is open, so I'll pass that and show you where that is. And yeah, it should be an interesting vlog if you're interested in Ibiza. If you are interested in Ibiza, do hit the subscribe button now. Thanks to everyone who has supported me on this channel over the last 2 years. Feels like a bit of deja vu back to where it all started when we were in lockdown, walking to the supermarket. So yeah, let's see what happens. So yeah, it was a little bit too noisy near the hotel. The hotel is going to be called Hotel Vibra Piscisis, so they're going to stick with the Pisces name. It's by Vibra Hotels, and as you've seen from the shots, it is very different. Do let me know your thoughts on that. Is it good or bad? Obviously it's going to be a 4-star adults only hotel, so it's a bit different to what it was. And yeah, I'm going to take a walk towards the Sunset Strip. A few people commented and messaged me on Instagram asking what Pepe Rosello was up to and what his plans were with his new cafe slash restaurant. I did ask Pepe, and Pepe said he would kindly do an interview with me at the right time, but just not now, so probably in the new year. And we will go down there now. It's just on the Sunset Strip next to Cafe Del Mar and Cafe Mambo. This video probably won't be so interesting for the average viewer, but I know a lot of people want to see what's going on behind the scenes, especially with another summer coming up. We obviously had the clubs open this year at the end of summer, almost full capacity, so everything is relatively normal, and it's starting to feel good. Like I said earlier in the video, it's just like one big construction site, and I'll cut to some shots of that right now. But yeah, all in all, it's really bad weather, so that's why I haven't been doing any videos. We've had a torrential rain almost for 3 weeks, and I think it's going to continue for another week. And yeah, let's see how this one goes. Do hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate all the support. There's 200 videos there, so you can go back and watch all the content from this summer. It was an interesting summer for me, a fun one. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Seems like I'm just back doing the same thing as I was 2 years ago, 1 year ago. I'm forgetting with COVID. So I'm just on the walk up. As you can see, it's really quiet again in San Antonio. It would be in November. It's me and a couple of pigeons. But we're nearly there. Despite the weather being so bad, it still is quite warm. I'm starting to break a sweat here. So yeah, I'll be there in about 2 seconds. So this is the location that Pepe will be opening. I guess it's going to be some sort of restaurant. Will it be themed space? I don't know. I do apologise if it is windy. You can see where it is. It's located right on the Sunset Strip. As you can see from the winter, there's not a lot of people around. One guy on a power wash and one girl jogging. So it's very, very different here in the winter, as you all know anyway if you've been watching my videos. Next, I think I'll take a walk over to the Tanit Hotel. That's going to be a new 5-star hotel, adults only as well, which it was a family hotel. I'll be curious to know how many of you stayed in the Tanit. Just drop me a comment. Yeah, I hope you like this random one as always. There you have it. The Blau Park is also getting refurbed, completely gutted. I did not even know that. That is one of the nicest hotels in San Antonio. So it just goes to show a lot is changing. They've completely gutted that one. I apologise for the wind. It is very windy today. I might go grab a coffee and then head over to the Tanit, which is behind me. You can probably see the cranes somewhere there in the distance. Wow, did not expect that. My coffee is literally rattling. Yeah, so you can see there's a lot of construction going on. I'm just wanting to have a coffee. We're next door to the Blau Park. Wow, wow, I would not be happy if I owned this cafe. That is loud. So yeah, next stop after the coffee, we'll go for the Tanit. So I'm going to take a walk around to the Tanit now. You can see there's a lot more construction going on. I think this time this is apartment blocks just outside the Vibra Hotel. Yeah, that noise is deafening all day, every day now until summer. So yeah, I'll make my walk around here now. We'll see how things are going around here. So I'm just making my way up now. You can see those apartments I showed in a previous vlog last year are now finished. I think they're going for like 500,000 each. Safe to say I won't be buying one. Yeah, I was undecided yesterday as what I was going to do this winter. I made a desperate dash for New York. Unfortunately, somebody doesn't have a vaccination. And I was under the impression the vaccination took 2 weeks, but it's going to work out about 8 weeks by the time I get the second jab, meaning I would miss Christmas in New York. I was really looking forward to that. It wasn't to be. So, just passing the Cubanito Hotel. And then obviously you have the new look Aku in front of us as well, which is next door to the Tanit. So how has everyone been? I've been quiet. It has been a bit of a depressing couple of weeks. It's just the weather has just not been good. It's actually turned out alright today. So you just lose creativity. There's not much to do in the rain. But I thought I'd just go and get this one done anyway, even if it is bad weather. So there you have it, the old Fiesta Tanit Hotel, which is now a 5-star hotel. The hotel group behind this hotel group is now Palladium, and it's going to be called the TRS Hotel. It's going to be a 5-star resort, family not allowed, adults only. So another one that's different. I've had to hide behind this van because the wind's pretty bad. But yeah, you can see over there in the distance that it looks really good. It's coming on. Hard to believe that it'll be finished by the end of by the start of summer, but it will. I mean, they're working around the clock on it. So yeah, exciting times, I guess. Or is it? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to make my way back into San Antonio, maybe grab a beer, do some work on the laptop. I have some club news to announce today. And yeah, it's been a long one again. A lot of waiting about, seeing what's going to happen, but definitely feeling a bit more positive towards next summer. If I do get to run away to America, I will be on the first flight. Oh Jesus, it's a bit overgrown. But yeah, until then it'll probably not be until the new year. So I'll wait it out. Maybe go back to Ireland for Christmas for sure. I haven't seen my family now for 2 years. Thank you, COVID. Oh, I almost forgot. So this is what the TRS Hotel is going to look like inside. Again, very different than what it was when it was Fiesta Hotel Tanit. So let me know what you think of these images. It's different, a little bit different, wasn't it? So yeah, just so you know as well, I haven't been contracted to do this video. I contacted each hotel brand, none of them got back to me, so I just used the initiative to go and make this video myself. YouTube, you don't make a lot of money on YouTube despite what people think. You get a couple of €100 a month if you're lucky. Some of the videos in the summer, yeah, I do get paid for, so it can equate to a few pounds, but all in all, YouTube revenue is very, very low. Obviously if I start hitting hundreds of thousands of views per video, it's a different story, but I think with the type of content that I've been able to do, that's not going to happen. But do let me know if you have any content ideas between now and Christmas, and I'll certainly get going and try and do it. It has been just a bit, you get that mental brain fog trying to think of things to do when the island is, as you've seen, there's not really been anyone around me since I started this vlog. I haven't actually bumped into one single person that I know, which is unusual. But what I'll do is I'll pop back into some of the bars and stuff that are open now and keep the vlog rolling. It's probably going to be a long one. I hope you've enjoyed it. I was going to finish this video with a sunset, but there's a lot of clouds in the sky. So I'm going to get a coffee at my favourite coffee shop. Say hi, Sam. Can I have one large cup of anxiety? No, just a cafe con leche. yeah, so we're going to wrap it up on that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I don't want to go and watch the sunset. It is really windy and cold, as you can probably hear. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned, I'll be back soon.